Now we are going to discuss question number 7.5, and in this question it is given to you, show that A dot B cross C is equal in magnitude to the volume of parallel pipe formed on the three vectors A vector, B vector and C vector. Clear? So now concentrate on a screen. Let's suppose I am saying, yes, let's suppose I am saying here, let's suppose first I am drawing here a parallel pipe. So let's suppose I can say this is B. Listen very carefully. Clear? And let's suppose I am saying I am drawing this like this. Like this. Clear to everyone? So let us try to understand. Now let's suppose I am saying here we have two vectors. Let's suppose here we have one vector, this is B vector. Clear? And let's suppose I am saying this is C vector, and let's suppose this is, we can say, A vector. Clear everyone? And let's suppose if I draw here what is direction of B cross C. Listen very carefully what I am saying to you. You can see here B vector and C vector both are lying in a same plane. Clear? And now we can say definitely if I find direction of B cross C, if I find here direction of B cross C, I can say direction, this is given by like this one. Clear? So we can say this is direction of B cross C. Clear? So I can say this is what? This is direction of B cross C. Clear? Now let's suppose if I say angle between A vector and B cross C, this is theta. So can I write like this? A dot B cross C, this should be equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B cross C, and I can say this is cos of theta. Clear? So from here we can also write like this, A dot B cross C, and this should be equal to. Clear? Now I can say here we have B cross C, clear, and magnitude of A cos of theta. Now let us try to understand. Magnitude of B cross C, it means we are talking about base area. Yes or no? Yes or no? If we are talking about B cross C and I am saying this is magnitude of B cross C, it means what I am talking about. I can say here actually this is indicating base area. Clear? Yes or no? Actually if we find A cross B and if we take here magnitude, then it shows the area of a parallelogram. Clear? So we can say this is base area and multiplied with magnitude of A cos theta. So we can say this is A vector. Now we are taking here one component in a vertical direction. So I can say this is A cos theta. So I can say this is height. Yes or no? This indicates perpendicular height. Clear? This indicates perpendicular height of this parallel pipe. So height of parallel pipe. Clear? So now we can say whenever we have a base area, we have a height. So we can say this indicates volume. This indicates volume that is formed by using three vectors, or we can say volume of parallel pipe. Clear everyone? Yes or no? So we have to prove this one. We have to show that A dot B cross C, it indicates volume of parallel pipe. Clear? So this is all about this question. Clear?